Hey Volley Babes, welcome back. Today I wanted to take you on another little thrifting trip with me. This didn't turn out exactly how I planned. I was trying to kind of like walk around and show you guys, but then I think sometimes when you say you're gonna film, like you ask them permission, they kind of watch you more. So I don't know. So next time I'm just not gonna ask for permission. Just kidding. Yeah, I just felt kind of awkward. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's go thrifting!
Good morning, Goodwill shoppers. The color of the week discounts are still available for all today. Blue Juice Day VIP members receive 50% off all blue color tags.
Blue color
the
tags.
daily VIP members to use social distancing while you're shopping.
I don't know if I should use a face mask or not. What's up?
So what exactly are you filming?
Sure, I do like thrifting videos.
Good job.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming in. So you're a seamstress.
Sort of. I mean, I wouldn't say, like, my skills are okay, but...
Really good wife.
Thank you.
My name is...
Thank you. Shorts like these are always my go-to because they're so comfy. Kind of like what I'm wearing right now. Oh, this is a super cute little tennis skirt. Again, elastic waistband. Very country club. And jackpot! High-waisted shorts, hot pink. I really need to not like put these prescription glasses on before I go blind. But they're cute. Cheetah print is my favorite, so these are a go. Oh my god. Polka dot shorts. Dude, they're Disney. I think these are pajama pants, but yeah, they're Disney. I like these kind of shorts too, because again, stretchy back and normal at the front, so they have a better fit. Okay, now on to the dresses. As long as I don't drop anything first. Oops. Ooh, this is nice. It's tie-dye, like blue and gray tie-dye. Kind of like the tank top I have on now. It's a long dress with slits in it. Slits are cute. Oh my god, I'm so sweaty underneath this mask. This is horrible. Silk or satin slip dresses are also some of my favorite things to look for. Okay, now last but not least, I love to look at the little like pots and pans like knick-knack section because I love mugs. So let's check that out next. As you can see, I literally have an obsession with floral mugs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some value, and I want to thank you so much for watching. It helps me out a lot if you like and subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell button. Of course, I always say that because then you'll know exactly when I post. If you guys have questions, comments, feel free to message me, comment, DM, whatever. And I love you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.